Hi boys and girls, this is our math class for Tuesday. We're going to keep working with equivalent fractions like we did on Thursday. So I have this for you today. We're going to use this to help us figure out equivalent fractions. Okay, we have to graph those on a number line. So we're going to look at my papers and I'll show you what we're doing, okay? Okay, so the first one that we're going to do is on the second line graph where it says 0, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6. Okay, they want us to graph 1/3 on this number line. So if I take my ruler, here's 1/3, and 1/3 lines up with 2/6. So I would put a dot right here, and I can relabel it 1/3. Okay, let's do a couple more in just a second. Let me. Actually, you know what? I'm going to have you look at the, well, no, we'll do a couple more in here. This is 12, so sixths again. So let me number this. Okay, so we have the all the way up to 1. They want us to do 1/2 on the number line. So here's 1/2. And if I go down to sixths, which you can't see, if I go down to the sixths, I'm still at 1/2 there. The line is right there. It's 1, 2, 3 sixths. So I would put a dot right there at 3 sixths, and I can relabel it 1/2. Okay. Okay, eighths. So this would be 0, 1/8, 2/8, 3/8. 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, 8. Whoops. That would be just number 1. Okay. And then this would be 1 1/8, 1 2/8. Okay. So they want 1/4 on the number line. So let's look at this. Here's 1/4, okay, and we're going to match it up with eighths. So if you look, my lines, there's the line there, and it matches up right there. So it would be 2/8. So for me to mark 1/4 on here, I have to go over 2/8. And this would be the same as 1/4. Okay. Let's take a look at IXL, okay? Oh, I just did this one with you. So you mark it like that and then submit, okay? So this is ninths, and I have ninths on my paper. I'll show you that. We're going to go 1/3. So let me show you my paper. Okay, so here's 1/3. Oops, sorry guys. And if we line up 1/3 with the ninths, you can see that it's 1, 2, 3. See, that line comes down 3 ninths. So if I go over 3/9, this should be 1/3. Okay? 1/2 on the bar graph, from halves to fourths. Here's my half, and 2/4 take up the same amount of space. So we mark 2/4. Mark 1/4 on the number line. Now this is 6/12, so we're dealing with 12ths. So if I go all the way down to my 12ths and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 12ths. Okay, that's 1/2. I want 1/4. So if I bring my line over here and go down to my 12ths, see I have 1/4 up there. It's the same as 3/12. So then I can go over 1, 2, 3 12ths. Okay? 1/3 on the line, we're looking at 6ths. Okay, it tells us 11/6, so this would be 1/6, 2/6, 3, 4, 5 6. That's 1. 1 and 1/6, 1 and 2/6, 1 and 3/6, 1 and 4/6, 1 and 5/6, which would be 11/6. So 1/3 to 6ths. How many sixths is that? 1, 2. So we would go to 2/6, and that's all there is to this. This is sixths again. 1/2 on the number line. So if I go down 1/2, it's right there. How many sixths? 1, 2, 3. Matches up with 1/2. So 1, 2, 3. Okay? 1/6 on the number line. This is 12ths. So if I take my ruler, mark 1/6, okay, there's 1/6, it equals 2/12. So I go over the number line 1, 2 12ths. Just like that, okay? Sixths again, and they want me to mark 1/2. So there's my 1/2 line. Here are my sixths. 1, 2, 3 sixths. 1, 2, 3 sixths. Okay, that's all you have to do. Now they want 1/4 on, these are eighths. Okay, so 1/4, line up my ruler. 1/4 is how many eighths? 2/8. So 1, 2. And that's all you have to do, boys and girls, okay? So you figure out the rest now. This will be 1/9, 2/9, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7/9. They give you 8/9, and then that would be 1, okay? You should be able to do this. So go to IXL Math 0 or 0.6 and do that. Math IXL 0.6. Have a great day.